In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 10 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Now click on this icon of the rectangles at the top right corner of it and tap on a second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you want to use more options of split screen view, click on those three dots in the middle of your apps and operate all of those. To go back from this mode, you can either drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down, then hit home button, or swipe both in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!